Hi, this is Pete Colton with MarineMax Miami and Grady-White boats. I hope you enjoy this quick video of one of our new Grady-Whites. I'd love to take your phone call at 305-389-4946.
This is the 2018 Grady-White 375 Freedom. It's powered by triple Yamaha 300 horsepower V6 engines. This boat is loaded with options. You have a huge freezer box. You can either freeze solid or refrigerate, spend a week in the Bahamas, or just want to keep your waters cold for when you're going to the beach. You have a huge live well, which is insulated. You could use that as a cooler as well. The freezer box and the air conditioning on this boat is powered by a Fisher Panda diesel generator. Super quiet, super efficient. Right there in your bar area, you have a freshwater sink, an electric refrigerator, and the electric Kenyan grill. You have a huge 13-foot beam on this boat. You have a dive door right behind me, make it easier getting in and out of the boat. You have a shore shade, an electronic shore shade in the back, which extends all the way to the transom for keeping it cool on a hot day. Up here, you have L-shaped bench seating with a table mounted in the center. Tons of storage underneath the deck. You can see in your berth. With the push of a button, the cushion extends all the way over, and you could comfortably sleep to here. There's also a small berth in the back. Coming up to the helm. Your helm seat is electronically controlled. You can adjust it forward and aft. This vessel is equipped with the Yamaha Helm Master system with set point. So it's a joystick driving system. It makes it very easy to maneuver. It also has a bow thruster to help you out on super windy days. Tons of room for electronics. And on the starboard side, just forward to the helm, you have your head and kitchen cook area. There's also an enclosed shower. Moving forward, you have a ton of seating up front with two tables that extend up and down. These have cushions that cover them, so it makes it a lounger. You also have your access to your anchor and anchor windlass compartment. If you ever have any questions about Grady-White or this boat in particular, feel free to contact me anytime at 305-389-4946.